Hello, who knows why this GRS AT sounds making some noise? It's a little different as before. Let's try it. Can you hear that? The background noise. It's very strange. Never happened before. Can you hear that? This sound. Do you know why?